Today, we are going to build a production-ready AI agent from scratch. This agent autonomously selects and uses external tools to solve real problems. By the end of this setup, you will have written a clean, minimal Python script utilizing the strands-agents-Tools that can process and execute mathematical operations on its own. Before we write the code, look at the two prerequisites on screen. To follow along, you need a modern Python installation, specifically version 3.10 or higher, and an active OpenAI API key. Moving from a basic chat interface to a local, tool-equipped workflow allows you to build applications that go beyond simple text responses. Let's get started. Step 1 is setting up your local environment. Open your terminal and create a new Python virtual environment. Now activate that environment. Taking 5 seconds to do this ensures your system dependencies remain perfectly isolated from the rest of your machine. Avoid the common mistake of cloning the GitHub repository directly. The Strands SDK lives in a massive, multi-language monorepo. Pulling down the entire source code will only add unnecessary complexity to your workspace. Instead, we are going to rely on the Python package manager for a targeted installation. Run this exact terminal command to install the core Python SDK. Notice we are explicitly appending the OpenAI bracket tag for the necessary provider dependencies. Immediately follow that up by running pip install strands-agents-tools. This companion package is what will actually equip your agent with its operating capabilities. By using pip to install the published packages, you ensure you are working with stable code optimized for application builders. The SDK is designed to use Amazon Bedrock by default. If you run the default examples without active AWS credentials and Bedrock model access, your script will fail before it even starts because of missing credentials. We will bypass those cloud requirements. Go back to your terminal and export your OpenAI API key directly into your environment using this command. Setting the API key locally removes the friction of managing cloud permissions, allowing us to focus on the logic of our code. Now we can write our 6 lines of code. Open a new Python file, and at the top, import the core agent module from Strands. Next, import the calculator from the companion tools package. While the framework can auto-load custom tools from a folder, standard packages are the safest starting point for this loop. Then, import the specific OpenAI model class to finalize the provider setup we established in the terminal. Create your model object and specify the GPT-4o model ID. To give the agent its capabilities, pass the calculator into the tools array when you create the agent object. Finally, write the execution command. Pass a complex math problem like finding the square root of 1764 directly into the agent for processing. With these 6 lines of code, the model, rather than the programmer, decides when the calculator is required to solve the prompt. Save your file, execute the Python script in your terminal, and wait a few seconds for the processing to finish. The terminal will output the correct mathematical answer, 42. This is the agent loop. Your prompt feeds into the AI model. If it can't solve the math, it pauses to request the calculator tool. The framework executes the math locally and returns the result. The model then provides the final answer. This orchestration layer creates a recursive feedback loop where the model can act on the information it receives from external tools. You now have a functional, tool-using AI framework running locally on your machine. This foundational setup can be expanded to support advanced concepts like multi-agent swarms and more complex system integrations. From here, you can replace that calculator with system-level shell tools, or explore building the same architecture in TypeScript to see how the framework handles different environments.